Hello everyone, this is K. Harshita from AID branch. This is my Tech Talk video on the chemistry subject under the guidance of Madhvi ma'am in the R. Shankara College of Institutions. Today my topic is estimation of hardness by EDTA method. Now I am going to explain about the estimation of hardness by EDTA method. What is meant by EDTA? Ethylene diamine tetraacetic acid.
EDTA. Now we will see the structure of EDTA. This is the structure of EDTA.
EDTA is insoluble in water. The disodium salt of EDTA is used as complexing agent with Ca2 plus and Mg2 plus ions.
Structure of EDTA in disodium salt. This is the structure of EDTA in disodium salt.
When areochrome black tea indicator is added to hot water sample, it forms wine red color. Unstable complex at pH 10 with Ca2 plus and Mg2 plus ions. When this solution is titrated against EDTA solution, the color of the complex changes from wine red color to deep blue color.
M2 plus EBT gives M minus EBT. It is unstable complex. Wine red color forms. In M minus EBT plus EDTA gives M minus EDTA plus EBT is the stable complex. In this there is a blue color.
Preparation of solutions. EDTA solution. Dissolve 3.72 grams of disodium salt of EDTA in 1 liter of distilled water. Standard hard water. Dissolve 1.0 grams of pure dry CaCO3 in small quantity of diHCl and evaporate the solution to the dryness of water. Both dissolve the residue in the distilled water to make 1 liter solution. Indicator. Dissolve 0.5 grams of EBTA in 100 ml of alcohol. Buffer stock. Add 67.5 grams of NH4Cl to 570 milligrams of concentrated ammonium solution and then dilute with the distilled water to form 1 liter solution. Now I am going to explain the process of EDTA method. Standardization of EDTA solution. The burette is raised and filled with EDTA solution. 50 ml of standard hard water is pipetted out in the clean conical flask. 5 ml of ammonia buffer and few drops of EBTA indicator are added and then titrated against the EDTA solution until the wine red color changes into deep blue color, which indicates the end point. Let the volume of the indicator is used to be V1. Now we will see the estimation of total hardness. 50 ml of given sample of hard water is pipetted out in a clean conical flask. 5 ml of ammonium buffer and few drops of EDTA solution until the wine red color changes into deep blue color. Let the volume of EDTA is used to be V2 ml. Estimation of permanent hardness. 250 ml of the hot water sample is taken in a beaker and evaporate nearly to the 50 ml. When all the bicarbonates and titrate the wash and make up with the filtrate to 50 ml with the distilled water. 550 ml of MADAP solution is pipetted out in a clean conical flask. 5 ml of ammonium buffer and few drops of EBTA are added and then titrated against the EDTA solution until the wine red color changes in the deep blue color. Let the volume of EDTA is used to be V3 ml.
Standardization of EDTA. 1 ml of standard hot water is equals to 1 ml of CaCO3. 50 ml of standard hot water equals to V1 ml of EDTA. 50 ml of CaCO3 equivalent equal to V1 ml of EDTA. Therefore, 1 ml of EDTA equals to 50 by V1 mg of CaCO3 equivalent. Estimation of total hardness. In this estimation of total hardness, 50 ml of given hot water is equals to V2 ml of EDTA. V2 equals to 50 by V1 ml of CaCO3 equation. Therefore, 1 ml of hot water equals to V2 by 50 into 50 by V1 mg of CaCO3 equation. Here the 50-50 cancels. 1 liter of given hot water is equals to V2 by V1 into 1000 mg of CaCO3 equation. Total hardness equals to V2 by V1 into 1000 mg by L. Now the estimation of permanent hardness. In the estimation of permanent hardness, 50 ml of boiled hot water equals to V3 ml of EDTA. V3 into 50 by V1 mg of CaCO3 equation. 1 ml of boiled water equals to V3 by 50 into 50 by V1 mg of CaCO3 equation. Here 50-50 cancels. 1 liter of boiled water equals to V3 by V1 into 1000 ml of CaCO3. Permanent hardness equals to V3 by V1 into 1000 mg by L. Now we will see the temporary hardness. In temporary hardness equals to total hardness minus permanent hardness. Total hardness minus permanent hardness. Here V2 by V1 into 1000 minus V3 by V1 into 1000. 1000 into V2 minus V1 minus V3 minus V1 1000 V2 minus V3 by V1 ppm.
Thank you, ma'am, for giving this opportunity. This Tech Talk video can help us to become a good communicators.